These conductors back away! Tommy! Run him down! Just leave it a minute! How you doing, Tommy? Almost there! Come on! Whoa, go! Hurry! I got you. Get close to us!
Where are we going?
It's this way. Come on!
Everywhere!
Don't slow down! Head for those doors! Through here, let's go! Hey, I'm Tommy. That's Joel. What's your name?
Abby.
Abby, are you okay? That ain't gonna hold. We gotta go back. We can't outrun them all the way to Jackson. We need to barricade that door. Tommy, we cannot stay here. The horses ain't making it all that way.
My friends are in a mansion just north of here. It's fenced in. We have the whole perimeter secure.
It's a ballroom, please. I can work. All right. I'll get the door. All right. You ride with me. Come on. Come on!